Goodbye, Tennessee. We're gonna miss you. We're going to definitely miss you. Time to go.
The cake with the shawty like surprise. I pushed too much feelings to the side. I took too many, let that shit slide. I know haters rather see a nigga die. Hop up out your cake with the shawty like surprise. It's your birthday,
guys, and welcome back. We are grabbing some gas right now. So we grabbed gas, grabbed some gas station snacks. Bree likes to hit every bump she can find in the road. For real. Alright, we're out, guys. Let's make the trip. I think we're in Georgia, so we have about 7 more hours to bang out.
Because I'm fortunate enough to have, a Lamborghini.
Alright, guys. So first of all, Georgia, the state police, sheriff, and who else? Just anybody law enforcement wise, you guys are working hard. Let us live. Every mile in Georgia, am I lying?
It's like they have a case of the Mondays here.
Log out the signal stored. Watch out, vehicle
The
stop
Mondays
shoulder ahead.
and Monday and it being the third day of the new month. So probably their quarter and they're trying to get their tickets in.
Bro, it's ridiculous. Like, they're catching everybody out here.
First week of the new month.
So shout out to you guys making it home in one day, because I've never seen so many police. Literally in a span of 10 miles, there was a cop every mile for about 10 miles. We did pass a state trooper training program, so I'm pretty sure that, hey, today for class we're gonna go outside and line the highways.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
So maybe that's what it was. But yeah, man, y'all are hustling. I just can't wait to get home and get this scruff. See, no rest here. But I can't wait to get home and get this scruff off my face. But we're about to play some car karaoke or something because I'm dying. Woo! Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna pick a song. She's driving, so she's not gonna know. I'm going to pick a song, and you gotta sing due to copyright issues. The first like 8 seconds of it. And as you guys can see here, I'm going to go to my YouTube. I'm gonna go to random top 100, and I'm going to hit shuffle. Shuffle. Let's see what we got. Oh.
This is his new song by Cardi.
No. Yeah, it's a new song, I guess.
Oh, that Do Anything for Clout.
Do anything? Oh, so you know it.
Yeah.
You know it. Okay. Well, let's see. I don't really know this one. I don't really know this one. Nah, I don't know that one. Can't do that one.
Let's just play song guess. You gotta have
Nah.
guesses. I don't know these people.
What do you mean? What do you
They live in
mean?
Florida? Is it a Florida rapper?
It's a Florida rapper. It's definitely a Florida
Is
rapper.
that YNW Melly? Is it YNW Melly?
Yeah, that's him. You got it. Alright,
I don't
next.
know the name of it, but at least the artist or the name of the song, I guess.
I guess. Okay. I don't know this one, so I'm not gonna do that one.
Pure Water with the Migos.
Wow, but you know Migos though, huh? You know Migos. You can play Migos all day.
They're more popular.
Take a break out, put it on the triple beam. I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of teams.
Okay, so you got that one.
Yeah.
You got that one. Nope, I don't know that song.
What happened to his wing? It came up?
Yeah, it comes up and goes out. Nothing? Nothing at all.
That's all.
Are you tripping? Okay.
Sleeping on the floor. Always dream about a 40 out over
think of your memory glands. Below, down
I've never
below,
heard this before.
down below. How low? Down below. Down below. How low, Bree? Down below. Down below. Ooh. Down below. Down below. Roddy Ricch, come on now.
Who the hell is Roddy Ricch?
Roddy Ricch, he had
Where
a.
did he come from?
He rich with a lot of rods, man.
I've never heard of him before.
Bro, you're kidding me.
No, never.
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh, what's going on with this generation? Okay, but watch this. I bet, yeah, watch this.
Take out 100 to show you our pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little miles and chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and children. I'm the type to let nigga think that I'm.
But you know this song? Wow. The song can't even play, and you knew this song.
Yeah.
He's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey glasses. Cause I don't wanna see you
When I know the song, I can sing all the lyrics.
Alright.
every time I wake up in the morning, I got murder.
This is the YNW Valley again.
Okay. So I'll give you that one. I'll give you this one. Okay.
Hey, Boogie with a hoodie.
Tell you something about my life.
Is that what it is?
So you got that one.
I was like, fuck, I don't know.
Blake Shelton.
I know him, but that didn't sound like him. That would have been my first guess, but I was like, I don't know if that's him. Sam Smith.
Get in the car.
Sam Smith.
Yeah, okay, so you got that one. Sam Smith. You got that one at least. Oh, man. So I'll give you one more chance. No?
Chance. Know what kind of hood music this is.
If I was you and I did what I did, I probably would. I probably wouldn't.
Nothing.
Just wipe your eyes and started crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you rest, I tried
No
to.
idea. Like, I
Nothing.
can't even think of anything. to
Lil
say.
Baby!
Oh.
Not Big Baby.
Not the baby.
Lil Baby.
Blueface.
Blueface, baby.
Okay, okay.
I was trying to say the name before
Yeah,
you said
before you said, you probably would have said red face. Something with a colored face.
His voice is annoying, but I was like, shit, he always say his name. Let me say it before he do.
I'm so done with you.
He does. That's how I remember him so much.
What you thinking? Remember them days and it was hard and I've been thinking. Over the phone and it's 20
I know the song, but I don't know who this
If you was
is.
the squad, I give you my heart and love me, yeah. I was fighting
I'm
some
like, yes, Lil Baby, but
No,
okay,
no, no,
wrong.
no, no. Call boy or some shit like that.
Oh, see, nah. Tyga.
Cake,
They didn't even let it play.
get a taste. Let you get a taste. Taste.
This song's too new and all over the radio. The shit that you be playing that's just random, I don't be knowing all that.
Nothing there, right?
I
messed up.
That was my best guess.
Put my thumb all in the a-hole. I got bands for real. Diamonds on me, they dance for real.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Meek.
You're not from Pennsylvania, so I know Meek Mill.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
I barely heard his voice.
Okay.
I don't know that song. I never heard it, but I know his voice.
It's exciting. I'm going baby on baby. That nigga big. He think he a gangster.
It's the baby.
Okay. Guess the way my service is set up right now, it ain't working.
With the baddest bitch. Young nigga been focused on my check. I forget. Next day we flew to Vegas with my boomer connects. We break bread with
Nipsey.
All right. Rest in peace, Nipsey. That was Nipsey.
That was supposed to be like a test.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that is it for some car karaoke or guess
I
the
think
music.
I got the majority of them, but he didn't have a lot of songs that aren't played regularly on the radio on a playlist, so
Yeah, I
I had a fair shit.
I had to make it easy. So it's all good. Next, we might switch it up, but we will continue and we'll be home. We'll be home soon.
333 miles.
All right, guys. Somebody got hit. Literally not hit, but got hit by the cops. Bro, they're not playing out here in Georgia at all. Gas stop number 2.
2 hours later.
What's up, guys? So yeah, we made it home after the rally. I never close it out. It's literally been like a week later. But as you can see, I am working. I'm working on getting the letters off. So most of them are coming off. The car's still dirty, but we have a few left. But all the big stickers are gone. And of course, I got my favorite. She is attacking that side right there. So we will see. She said she liked to peel, but I'm doing better so far. I'm already like one letter set in front of her. And we got the best help ever. We got Mose. We got Moses. Sit. 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 Good boy. Stay right there. That's a good boy. Oh, stay. Give me paw. Give me paw. Paw. Good boy. That's a good boy. You so sweet. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Mwah. Say hi. Mwah. That's what I'm talking about. And guys, of course, we have one more surprise for the channel. We got in some canards. So yes, we got in some canards. Add a little more downforce. This is the last thing exterior-wise I'm gonna do. Back up. Back up. But this is what we're looking at. Alright, right here. Pretty nice, right? Look at that little stance on it. Pretty nice. But that's what we're gonna go with right there. I think that's gonna do justice to the front end. And I'm liking it so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please go ahead and subscribe to me and like this video. But if you want to see pictures of how this come out, follow me on Instagram, Super Sport Enthusiast, or Josh_ZL1 Camaro. You type either which one in, they're gonna show up. But again, thank you for all the amazing people we met on the rally. Thank you for the spontaneous craziness that we got into, the planned fun, the great lunches, the great dinners, the great rides, and a great opportunity to just grow the channel, meet new people, lifelong friends hopefully. And we will see you guys next, I hope, on the Corsa American Rally Florida edition. August, what, 8th to the 11th? 8th to the 11th, alright? And if you guys want to chip in for that, I'm just playing, don't worry about that. Well, I'm out. Peace.